PRRD as the most principled and nonpartisan president.
Lalo na ngayon, paalis na tayo. Huwag na tayong magkampi-kampi ng kandidato. We'll just make the most out of the remaining days to wind up and set back to tingnan natin yung ating nagawa para sa bayan. So we start with dito ngayon sa report. I would like to call again Secretary Duque for the COVID response. Ano na ang nangyari? Where are we now in our fight against COVID? Are we winning? Are we losing?
Definitely, Mr. President, we are winning, given, as you have correctly pointed out, sir, mababa ang ating kaso. Tuloy-tuloy na mababa. At mapapakita ko nga po mamaya, I will show a comparative graph.
I am not a Filipino for nothing. I did what I had to do. And whether you believe it or not, I did it for my country.
Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin ang tunay na nagmamahal sa atin. Laban niya ay laban natin. Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin. Inang bayang minamahal, lagi kang ipagdarasal na muli kitang makita. Pilipinas, bangon may pag-asa pa.